Imagine a brain, not made of flesh and blood but of pure, glowing data, a living network of information pulsing with possibility and potential. Points of light, representing bits of information, blaze and fade in a complex dance, weaving together intricate patterns that hint at intelligence and creativity. These are the neural networks of an artificial intelligence, a digital brain capable of extraordinary creativity, able to process and generate ideas at a scale and speed that surpasses human limits. It is within this intricate web of connections that the magic of generative AI unfolds, as algorithms interact and evolve, forming the foundation for a new kind of creative intelligence. Here, algorithms trained on vast datasets learn to mimic, interpret, and expand upon human creativity, absorbing the nuances of art, music, and language from millions of examples. This is no mere tool, it's a collaborator, a muse, and a window into new artistic possibilities. It inspires artists, writers, and musicians to push boundaries and explore uncharted territory. Just like our brains learn from the world around us, this digital brain learns from the vast amount of data it is fed, constantly adapting and refining its understanding. It analyzes countless images, texts, and sounds, identifying patterns and relationships that we might not even perceive, uncovering hidden connections and subtle details. But this is no mere imitation game. Generative AI isn't simply copying what it sees, it's learning the underlying principles of art, music, and video, then using that knowledge to create something entirely new, something that has never existed before. This digital brain is constantly evolving, learning from each new piece of data it encounters, growing more sophisticated and inventive with every iteration. The more it learns, the more sophisticated its creations become, transforming simple patterns into breathtaking works of digital art, music, and storytelling. It's a thrilling prospect, a journey into uncharted artistic territory, guided by the luminous pathways of artificial intelligence, a journey where the destination is limited only by our imagination. The possibilities, much like the universe itself, are vast, unknown, and filled with the potential for awe-inspiring discovery. Each new creation opens doors to worlds we've never seen before. This is the dawn of a new creative era, an age where we collaborate with machines not just to build a better world, but to imagine entirely new ones, together. And at the heart of it all, pulsing with digital light, is the artificial brain, dreaming up the future of art, music, and video, and inviting us to dream along with it. One of the most remarkable aspects of generative AI is its ability to understand and respond to human language. It's not just about recognizing words, but about grasping the intent, the emotion, and the creativity behind what we say. This technology bridges the gap between our imagination and the digital world, making it possible for anyone to communicate ideas in a way that computers can interpret and bring to life. Imagine typing a simple phrase into a computer, something like, a cat wearing a spacesuit walking on the moon. With just a few words, you're able to spark a creative process that once required hours of artistic skill or technical know-how. In the past, you might have gotten back a list of websites or images that vaguely matched your search. The results were often generic, and finding exactly what you imagined could be frustrating or even impossible. But with generative AI, you get something far more extraordinary, a unique, original artwork generated from your words. The AI interprets your prompt and creates something that has never existed before, tailored specifically to your request. The AI doesn't just paste together existing images, it understands the concepts behind your words. It analyzes the relationships between objects, actions, and settings, and then invents a new visual story from scratch. It knows what a cat looks like, what a spacesuit is, and the desolate beauty of the lunar surface. It draws on vast knowledge, blending references and details to create something that feels both familiar and entirely new. It combines this knowledge with its understanding of artistic principles like composition, color, and texture to create a digital painting that is both imaginative and visually striking. The result is a piece of art that could easily hang in a gallery or inspire a story. You can even specify the style you want, asking for a photorealistic image, a watercolor painting, or a pixel art rendition. The AI adapts to your preferences, offering a level of customization that was once unimaginable. The AI adapts its output to your desires, creating art that is tailored to your specific vision. Each piece is a direct reflection of your imagination, shaped by your choices and ideas. It's like having a personal art studio inside your computer, with an endless supply of digital paint and a tireless, infinitely creative assistant. Whether you're a professional designer or just someone with a wild idea, the possibilities are endless. This technology has the potential to democratize art creation, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their artistic skills. It opens doors for people who may have never considered themselves artists before. It empowers anyone with an imagination to bring their ideas to life, to see their words transformed into visual masterpieces. The joy of seeing your thoughts materialize as art is now within reach for all. The only limit is your own imagination. With generative AI, the canvas is infinite, and every idea has the potential to become a digital masterpiece. Generative AI isn't limited to static images. It can also create realistic characters and dynamic scenes. Imagine designing your own video game or animated film, complete with unique characters and breathtaking landscapes. With AI, this dream is becoming a reality. Using a technique called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, AI can learn from thousands of images of human faces, bodies, and expressions. It then uses this knowledge to generate entirely new characters, each with their own distinct features, personalities, and emotions. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also generate realistic environments, from bustling city streets to tranquil forests, complete with dynamic lighting, textures, and weather effects. These digital worlds can be explored from any angle, allowing creators to craft immersive and engaging experiences. Imagine a world where aspiring filmmakers can direct their own animated shorts without needing a team of animators. Imagine video game developers populating their worlds with unique characters at the click of a button. This is the power of generative AI, to empower creators with tools that were once considered the realm of science fiction. Generative AI isn't confined to mimicking the real world. It has the remarkable ability to transcend the boundaries of traditional art forms. It can also venture into the abstract, creating art that challenges our perceptions and pushes the boundaries of creativity, often producing visuals that are entirely new to the human eye. By training on vast and diverse data sets of abstract art, including both classic masterpieces and contemporary digital works, AI can learn the principles of composition, balance, and visual harmony, as well as the intricacies of color theory and the tactile qualities of texture, then use this knowledge to generate its own unique interpretations, each piece reflecting a blend of learned technique and algorithmic innovation. These abstract works can be surprisingly evocative, stirring emotions and sparking curiosity in those who view them. They ignite a sense of wonder, inviting us to explore the unknown and question what we see. These pieces prompt us to find meaning in the patterns and forms, encouraging personal interpretation and dialogue. They can resemble swirling galaxies of color, intricate fractal designs that seem to stretch into infinity, or even textures that appear to defy the laws of physics, creating surfaces and forms that could never exist in the physical world. This exploration of the abstract is a testament to the adaptability and creative potential of generative AI, showing its ability to surprise even its creators. It shows that AI is not simply a tool for replicating reality or copying what already exists, but a powerful engine for exploring new artistic frontiers, challenging our assumptions about creativity, and expanding our definition of what art can be in the digital age. It's a reminder that the most exciting discoveries often lie beyond the familiar, waiting to be uncovered by those willing to experiment. In the uncharted territories of the imagination, new forms and ideas are born. And with AI as our guide, we are no longer limited by the constraints of traditional media or human technique. We are poised to embark on an unprecedented journey into the abstract realms of artistic expression, where the only limit is our collective imagination.